Welcome back to English Audio Lab, the place where every conversation makes your English stronger. I'm Maya.
And I'm Derek. Maya, I have to be honest with you about something.
Uh-oh, what did you do?
Nothing bad. Okay, so last night I was lying in bed and I couldn't fall asleep. And you know what I was doing?
Tell me.
I was describing my bedroom ceiling in English, out loud. The ceiling is white, there's a small crack near the light, the fan is moving slowly.
You were narrating your ceiling at midnight.
My brain just wouldn't stop. Is that normal?
Derek, that is not just normal. That is exactly what today's episode is about.
Wait, seriously?
100%. Because what you were doing, without even trying, was thinking in English, not translating, just thinking.
Oh, I didn't realize that's what I was doing.
That's the best kind of practice, the kind that sneaks up on you. And today at English Audio Lab, we are going to talk about how to make that happen for everyone listening.
So today's topic is how to train your brain to think in English.
Exactly. And I know what some of our listeners are thinking right now. That sounds really hard. Or is that even possible for me?
I thought the same thing when I first heard about it. Like, my brain has been thinking in my language my whole life. Can it really switch?
It can. And here's the thing. It doesn't happen all at once. It happens in small moments, like your ceiling moment last night.
My ceiling moment. I love that.
Small moments add up, and today we have 4 strategies, plus some really important vocabulary to help your brain make that shift from translating to actually thinking in English.
4 strategies. Let's get into it. But first,
yes, our quick favor. If English Audio Lab has helped your English journey at all,
please subscribe, hit the like button, and share this episode with someone who is learning English right now.
it genuinely helps us reach more learners around the world. Okay, into the lab we go.
So, Maya, let's start with the problem, because I think a lot of people don't even realize they're doing it.
Great point. So here is what most English learners do when they want to say something. Step 1, they think of the idea in their own language. Step 2, they translate that idea into English in their head. Step 3, they finally speak.
And by step 3, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. Or the translation comes out sounding unnatural, like the sentence structure is off, or a word doesn't quite fit.
Because you can't always translate directly. Some things just don't work word for word.
Right. And here's a good word for our English Audio Lab listeners. That whole process, the thinking, translating, then speaking, we call it a mental detour. Detour, great word. A detour is when you take a longer, indirect route to get somewhere, instead of going directly.
Like when there's road construction and you have to drive around it.
Perfect example. When you translate in your head, you are taking a mental detour every single time you speak. And the goal, the dream, is to remove that detour completely. Think in English. Speak in English. Direct route.
No construction, no detour, just straight there.
Exactly. So how do we build that direct route? Strategy 1. Strategy 1 is called Think in Snapshots.
Snapshots, like photos.
Exactly like photos. A snapshot is a quick, simple picture. No details, just the main image. And when you think in English, especially at the beginning, your thoughts should be like snapshots. Quick, simple, clear.
So not a full movie, just one photo at a time.
Exactly. For example, you walk outside in the morning. What do you see?
The street is quiet. The sky is gray. My neighbor's walking his dog.
Perfect. 3 snapshots. 3 simple English thoughts. No grammar textbook needed. No translation required.
It really is like taking photos with words.
And here's the key. The sentences are small. We're not trying to write a novel. We're just, click, one thought. click, another thought.
I am sitting. The room is warm. I need coffee.
You always need coffee.
It's always true, though.
And notice those 3 sentences, 0 translation. Your brain went directly from the feeling to the English words.
It did. I didn't even think about it.
That is the goal. And let's give our listeners a vocabulary word here. The word is instinctive. Instinctive means doing something naturally without stopping to think about it. Like catching a ball someone throws at you. You don't calculate the speed and angle, you just catch it.
Your hands just do it.
That's instinctive. And that's what we want English to feel like. Not calculated, instinctive.
So thinking in snapshots trains my brain to be instinctive in English.
Every single day, one small snapshot at a time.
Strategy 1. Think in snapshots. Small sentences, quick thoughts, direct English, no detour.
Strategy 2. And this one is so important. We call it feed your brain.
Feed it like food?
Exactly like food. Your brain needs English coming in every day, regularly, consistently, the way your body needs food.
And what counts as feeding your brain?
Anything in English that you absorb. Absorb, that's our vocabulary word here. Absorb means to take something in deeply, the way a sponge soaks up water. When you really listen to a podcast, not just hear it in the background, you absorb it. It goes deep into your brain.
So just having English playing while I scroll my phone, that doesn't count.
That's passive. And passive has some value, but absorbing, really paying attention, that's where the real growth happens.
So what does active absorbing look like?
You listen to a podcast, like English Audio Lab, and you focus on the words. You notice a new phrase. You pause and repeat it. You read a few pages of a simple book, and you visualize what's happening. You watch a short video in English, and you pay attention to how sentences are built.
Not just what they're saying, but how they're saying it.
Exactly. And over time, your brain starts to recognize patterns. English starts to feel familiar, natural, like a song you've heard so many times, you don't even have to try to remember the words. They're just there.
That's such a good feeling when that happens.
And there's one specific technique inside this strategy that I want to highlight. It's called echoing.
Echoing? Like an echo in a cave?
Just like that. An echo repeats the sound immediately after it happens. In language learning, you listen to a sentence and immediately you say it back. Same words, same rhythm, same feeling.
Not just the words, the rhythm too?
The rhythm is everything. English has its own music. Some words are stressed. Some are light. Some run together. When you echo, you copy all of that.
So I can echo right now with this podcast?
Listeners, try it right now. We'll say a sentence, you repeat it after us. Ready?
I am learning to think in English every single day.
Did you say it? Good. That's echoing. And the more you do it, the more those sounds become part of you.
Strategy 2. Feed your brain. Absorb English every day. Listen actively. Echo what you hear.
Strategy 3. This one is my personal favorite. It's called Talk to Your World.
Talk to my world. What does that mean?
It means everything around you is a conversation partner. Your kitchen, your commute, your morning routine. You don't need another person to practice speaking English. Your world is always there, always available, never busy.
Never cancels plans.
Never cancels. So you talk to it, out loud, in English.
Like I did with my ceiling.
Exactly like your ceiling. And here's a vocabulary word that fits perfectly here. The word is commentary. Commentary means a running description of what is happening. Sports commentators give commentary during a game. They describe every moment as it happens. You do the same for your life.
I am the commentator of my own life.
In English, every morning, I'm opening the curtains. The light is coming in. It's a cloudy day. I need to find my keys again. That's commentary.
And here's the beautiful thing. No one is judging me. No one is listening. I can make mistakes and it's completely fine.
That freedom, that's exactly why talking to your world works so well. There's no pressure, no embarrassment, just you and English.
Pressure, that's such a real thing for language learners. The moment someone is listening, the brain freezes.
It does, and that freeze has a name. It's called performance anxiety. Anxiety means a feeling of nervousness or worry. Performance anxiety means you feel nervous specifically when others are watching or listening.
And talking to your world removes performance anxiety completely.
Because there is no performance. It's just you, just practice, just English flowing naturally.
I'm going to start doing full commentary tomorrow morning. Derek is waking up. Derek does not want to wake up. Derek is waking up anyway.
Perfect. Third-person commentary. I love it.
Strategy 3. Talk to your world. Give English commentary on your daily life. Remove the pressure. No audience required.
And strategy 4, this is the one that ties the whole brain training together. We call it the output loop.
Output loop. That sounds technical.
It sounds technical, but it's beautifully simple. So we talked about feeding your brain. That's English coming in. Now we talk about English going out, speaking, writing, expressing.
Input and output.
Exactly. And the loop part, that's the magic. The more you output, the more gaps you notice. You try to say something and you realize, I don't know that word, or I don't know how to say this feeling in English.
And then you go looking for it.
And then you absorb it when you find it. And then you use it next time. That's the loop. Output reveals the gap. Input fills the gap. Output uses what you learned. Round and round.
That's actually really clever. So speaking helps me learn what to study next.
Perfectly said. And let's give a vocabulary word here. The word is progress. Progress means moving forward, getting better over time, step by step. And here's the thing about progress. It rarely feels dramatic in the moment.
You don't wake up one day and suddenly speak perfect English.
No, progress is quiet. It's subtle. Subtle means small and not immediately obvious. One day you notice you didn't translate that sentence. One day a word just comes out without searching for it. That's subtle progress, and it adds up into something huge.
So inside the output loop, what does output actually look like day to day?
A few things. You talk to your world, that's spoken output. You write 3 sentences in English at the end of your day, that's written output. Even texting a friend in English, output.
3 sentences. That's so manageable.
Today I had a long meeting. I was tired, but I finished my work. Now I want pizza. That's 3 sentences. That's output. That's progress.
Now I'm thinking about pizza.
Output working perfectly. You understood and you reacted. Strategy 4, the output loop. Speak and write in English every day. Notice the gaps, fill them, keep going. Such an important question, and the answer might surprise people. You do not need hours. In fact, shorter and more frequent is far better than long and occasional.
So 10 minutes every day, better than 2 hours on Sunday?
Much better. And here's why. Your brain learns through repetition. Repetition means doing something again and again over time. When you repeat something daily, your brain starts to treat it as important. It strengthens those connections.
Like a path through a forest. The more you walk the same path, the clearer it becomes.
That is a beautiful analogy, Derek. A path that nobody walks gets overgrown. A path walked every day becomes clear and easy.
So my English brain path, I need to walk it every single day?
Even just 10 or 15 minutes, same time if possible. Make it a ritual. Ritual, great word for our listeners. A ritual is a habit that has meaning to you, something you do regularly that feels like it belongs to you.
Morning coffee is a ritual for a lot of people.
Exactly. And your English practice can become the same thing. You don't think about whether to do it, you just do it because it's your ritual.
English audio lab with my morning coffee. That's my ritual.
That's a very good ritual. And the listeners who are doing exactly that right now, you're already building it.
Derek, recap time. Let's bring it all together.
Strategy 1?
Tick in snapshots. Small, quick English thoughts, like taking photos with words. No translation, direct route.
Strategy 2?
Feed your brain. Absorb English actively every day. Podcasts, books, videos, and echo what you hear.
Strategy 3?
Talk to your world. Give English commentary on your daily life. No audience, no pressure, no performance anxiety.
Strategy 4?
The output loop. Speak and write in English every day. Notice the gaps, fill them, keep going. Subtle progress adds up.
And our vocabulary words from today's English Audio Lab session:
Detour. A longer, indirect route instead of going directly. Instinctive. Doing something naturally without thinking about it. Absorb. To take something in deeply, like a sponge with water. Commentary. A running description of what is happening. Anxiety. A feeling of nervousness or worry. Performance anxiety. Feeling nervous when others are watching or listening. Progress. Moving forward and getting better over time. Subtle. Small and not immediately obvious. Repetition. Doing something again and again over time. Ritual. A meaningful habit that belongs to you.
10 vocabulary words, all learned through natural conversation. No memorizing, no flashcards, just English the way it actually lives, inside real sentences and real moments. That's the English Audio Lab way. Before we go, our question for you today. We want to know, right now, today, what language does your brain think in? Is it your first language? Is it English? Is it a mix of both? Tell us in the comments. And also, which of today's 4 strategies are you going to try first? We read every single comment. Your answers genuinely make us smile. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. 1 snapshot, 1 echo, 1 sentence of commentary, 1 small output. That is enough for today. Your brain is listening right now. Your brain is already learning. Trust the process and trust yourself. See you in the next session. Keep listening. Keep thinking in English. English Audio Lab.